Balay me penstamben niya nga.
Why are you persecuting me?
Maliway ka na!
Who are you, Lord?
Nga dayo Jesus.
The word says, I am Jesus.
Babre bab. Jesus?
Jesus?
Jesus!
And that is how Saul must have fell from the horse. They all got scared, but it's okay. He's not hurt. You know, our pastor is a very good actor. Let us clap for our pastor. And this is what had happened. Now imagine Saul had fallen like that. He did not die. Praise the Lord. But Saul came out blinded, but pastor did not come out like that. He came out of there blinded.